In a bright and sunny kitchen with sunlight on the floor, Bluey and Bingo tiptoed in, ready for fun galore. Today, said Bluey with a grin, we're having food not just to eat. Bingo's eyes went wide with glee, this sounds like such a treat. Well, first came the burger stacked so high, juicy patties, cheese so yellow, whoa. Bluey tossed one to Bingo's plate, and oh, it landed on a fellow. Fries went flying crisscross the room, ketchup splattered near the broom, tomatoes bounced with a squishy sound, meatballs rolled and went around. Watch out! Yelled Dad, slipping on a pea. Food fights are messy, you'll see. But Mom just laughed and joined the fun, flipping pancakes one by one. Bingo grabbed a pie with cream, aimed it high, a messy dream. Bluey ducked it, hit the wall, and whipped cream dripped like a waterfall fall. Milkshake splashed with a splishy splash, chocolate puddles formed in a dash. Bluey slid across with a squeaky squeal, and giggled at how slippery it did feel. Spaghetti twirled in the air, and even in a chair. Meatballs bounce with boingy springs, tossed like tiny bouncing things. Don't forget the veggies, shouted Mom. She twirled a carrot with a cheerful hum. Bingo caught it with a mighty leap and turned it into a funny food heap. Soon the kitchen was a colorful mess, laughter, giggles, and happiness. Whoa, Bluey spun with a pizza in hand, sliding across like a dancing band. Enough, said Dad with a smile so wide, we're all so messy, time to tidy. But Bluey and Bingo just laughed some more. This was the best food fight we adore. Lean it in! They wiped the table, scrubbed the floor, hugged each other and laughed some more. Even the dog had frosting on his nose. From pies that flew in silly rows, at the end with plates all clean, and sparkling counters shiny and keen. Bluey and friends sat down to eat, and giggled again, what a funny treat. A burger here, a fry there, but yours. Laughs and hugs were everywhere. Bluey said with a cheerful shout, tooth fights are fun, there's no doubt. Well, so if you